children to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train until it comes to a full and complete stop, and I give you all clear. Stay seated, please. Stay seated. All clear. Welcome to Main Street. Welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Railroad. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Supervise your children, keeping them on the inside of the road with a responsible adult on the outside. We also ask that you refrain from eating, drinking, and smoking while on board this train. We have been cleared for forward motion, so sit back, relax. We are all aboard.
Welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Railroad. We're about to take a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom, with stops along the way at Frontierland and Fantasyland. Sit tight. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the train. We're leaving Main Street Station right now, so wave it goodbye. But if you stay on board long enough, sooner or later, you'll be back. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos en brazos.
Just a friendly reminder to please stay seated at all times. Thank you.
For an old conductor like me, there's no better place to ride the rail. By the way, we're traveling on pure steam power. This old locomotive is descended from the mighty trains that powered the golden age of steam. And just like me, it's a little old-fashioned. Now, where else do you travel from the charm of Main Street, USA, to the untamed jungles of Africa, Asia, and South America? At the Magic Kingdom, anything is possible, and we're headed straight to the heart of Adventureland. It can get pretty wild in these parts, especially if you run into Captain Jack Sparrow. He's hiding out among those scurrilous pirates of the Caribbean. Whether you're boarding a boat for the Jungle Cruise or flying on Aladdin's magic carpets, when you visit Adventureland, bring an extra dose of bravery. As for me, I'll stay safe and sound right here aboard my train if you don't mind. We've reached the wild west of the Magic Kingdom, Frontierland. This outpost is home to the Carnivine, and we've got our own mountain range of exciting adventures. You might catch a runaway mine train at Big Thunder Mountain, or hop on over to Splash Mountain and join Brer Rabbit for a 50-foot drop straight down into the Briar Patch. We've reached Frontierland Station.
To Adventureland Station, please remember to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train until it comes to a full and complete stop, and I give you all clear. Stay seated, please. Stay seated. Stay seated, please. All clear. Welcome to Frontierland. Watch your head and step as you exit. Next stop, Fantasyland. Safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Supervise your children, keeping them on the inside of the road with a responsible adult on the outside. We also ask that you refrain from eating, drinking, and smoking while on board this train. We have been cleared for forward motion, so sit back, relax. We are all aboard.
Bye, guys.
Just joining us. Welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Railroad. We're headed for Fantasyland and to Main Street, USA. Everybody stay seated. Keep your hands and arms, feet, and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos y brazos immediate things of the day. Keep us pequeños. Started heading west. Nowadays, the rails can carry us safely through the wild. Trips that used to take months, now they may take business weeks. There's plenty of deer, antelope, and elk along the banks of the river. Naturally, many of early settlers decided to put down stakes and live here too. Of course, those early settlers weren't the first to make their home in this wild frontier. These native tribes of Plains Indians were living hunting and trading for centuries before we ever came along. They were the first to tend the wild horses of the American plains, long before our big old iron horses started chugging through these parts. Almost out of the woods, folks. We're coming up on the most magical of land, Adventureland. A place where any dreams come true. Fly over London with Peter Pan. Set sail on It's a Small World. Take a trip under the sea with the Little Mermaid. See our guests at an enchanted feast in the East Passage. Or journey into the Seven Dwarfs Mine, where a million diamonds shine. Whether you're a pixie, a princess, or just an everyday dreamer, always something special about Fantasyland.
Elevators and screens and glass at the very beginning before you get on the ride almost. Now it gets better up. If I can find
Drive the trains as long as this old timer, you may remember the days it set up permanent headquarters as the Fantasyland Storybook Circus. This is the place to fly high with Dumbo, or join Goofy on the barnstorm. Ride circus acrobatics and host of thrills. This station is also your gateway to the rest of Fantasyland and Tomorrowland. Complete stuff. Gather your belongings and carry your strollers away from the platform before you start unfolding. Then we can start loading up for the next leg of our trip. Watch your step. Thanks for traveling with us on the Walt Disney World Railroad. Join us real soon.
As we call the Adventureland station, please remember to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train until it comes to a full and complete stop, and activity all clear. Stay seated, please. Stay seated. All clear. Welcome to Fantasyland. Watch your head and step as you exit. Next stop, Main Street, USA. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Supervise your children, keeping them on the inside of the road for the responsible adult on the outside. We also ask that you refrain from eating, drinking, and smoking while aboard the train. We have it cleared for forward motion, so sit back, relax. We are all aboard.
Looks like we're ready to embark on the next leg of our journey. Our destination is Main Street, USA. Now, everyone stay seated and keep your hands and arms train at all times. And please keep an eye on the field. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. There are some who say that this steam train is a little old-fashioned, but for me, it's the only way to travel. Of course, there are those who prefer to hit the highway, and on the right, you just might spot some pint-sized drivers taking their first spin behind the wheel of a car. Getting from place to place is a big deal in Tomorrowland, where you might board a people mover, zip around on the Astro Orbiter, or book a flight across the galaxy at our busy starport in Space Mountain. Speaking of moving, it seems like a whole lot of new neighbors have been migrating in from all corners of the Milky Way. There's that rascally Experiment 626, better known as Stitch, always up to his usual antics. Buzz Lightyear is scouting for a few good space rangers. Even the monsters of Monstrous have taken a shine to Tomorrowland. I hear those monsters are pretty funny. They're sure funny looking. Yeah, the future is here today at the Magic Kingdom. And the future looks like a lot of fun. But after working on the railroad all the livelong day, it's nice to come home to good old Main Street, USA. Inspired by the small-town dreams of a young Walt Disney, a walk down Main Street is like stepping back into the early years of the 20th century. Of course, ours is a Main Street of the imagination, and we've got our own hometown hero, Mickey Mouse. Mickey and his friends have gathered at the Town Square Theater, and they're always happy to meet their fans.
Please keep your legs inside the train, thank you.
Cool journey. Thanks for putting up with me these past few days. If you're staying with us, we'll be headed for Frontierland next. Right now, please stay seated until our train comes to a halt. Please take them all the way beyond the platform so you can safely board passengers for the next leg of our journey. This is Main Street Station, Main Street, USA.
As we pull into Main Street Station, please remember to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train until time to pull and complete stop. And I give you all clear. Stay seated. Stay seated. Stay seated. All clear. Welcome to Main Street.